We're doing today a 5-minute vagus nerve reset. It can help you reduce symptoms of chronic pain and anxiety and help you reconnect to a sense of safety, calm, and groundedness. We're going to use breathing, mindfulness, and grounding. Let's start. We begin by standing or sitting with our back straight. If you choose to stand, bend your knees slightly. Close your eyes and place one hand, one palm on your belly and one palm on your chest. We begin with the full cycle of breath, breathing in through the nose, breathing out through the mouth. Let's take a deep inhale through the nose. Direct it to the area of the belly where one of the hands is located, and then feel how a wave is coming up with the breath from the belly to the chest, to the shoulders, and up. Breathe in from the nose to the belly. Feel how it expands, extends. Then a wave of the inhale goes up to the chest and to the shoulders. And breathe out gently in a relaxed way through the mouth. And another cycle like that. Breathe in through the nose, into the belly. Feel how it extends and then goes up to the chest and to the shoulders. And when it feels natural, exhale gently through the mouth. Continue with this belly breathing, full body breathing. And now begin to ground yourself. Feel the area where your feet touch the ground or face the ground. Feel how the earth is stabilizing you, giving you grounding you. Feel this natural and healthy sensation of being held by the earth, being grounded by the earth. Feel the miraculous support of gravity. Allow yourself to ground. Arrive at this moment, here and now. Be supported by gravity. Now shift your focus again to your breathing. Breathe through the nose into the belly. Let this wave of oxygen go up from the belly to the chest, to the shoulders, a full body breath. Feel yourself filled with presence and joy and life. And naturally breathe out through the mouth when it feels natural to do so. When the next cycle of breath comes, naturally breathe in gently through the nose, to the belly, to the chest, and the shoulders. A full breath. And breathe out naturally through the mouth. And another cycle like that in your own natural pace. Breathe in through the nose to the belly. Feel how it extends. The extension goes up to the chest like a wave, and then all the way up to the shoulders. And breathe out when you feel it's natural to do so. And now let's bring our attention back to the feet, where they touch the earth. Feel the gravity the force of gravity that is pulling you, holding you onto the surface of the earth. Feel the support. Feel the grounding. Arrive here and now. Let your body be filled with presence, health, and joy. As we conclude this relaxation presence meditation, invite this grounding energy to accompany you throughout the day. Take another deep breath in and out. And with the exhale, gently open your eyes.